Hello everyone, David King here from Flow Mobile Surveying. So today we're pushing out a small release to our dashboard that improves the user experience when viewing and editing report data. So what I'll do in this video is I'll show you the old interface and the new interface and just explain why we've made the changes and why we think it's an improvement to our product. So what I've got open here is just an asbestos survey in the old interface. So what happens is when I scroll down, all the data is laid bare. It's all been expanded. So you can see I've got my scope, my inspection details, and if I go past that, variations to the scope, floor plans, and so on and so forth. But one thing that has been pointed out to us is the scrolling here. So in this, I'm just in the inspection section here, and you can see we have a scroll bar for the table and a scroll bar for the page as well. So what would happen is you'd have to scroll past all of this in order to go up. And the other thing that has been pointed out is when you're editing an item, again, you still have the same issue. If I scroll to the bottom of here, then the page scrolls next. So that's sort of unexpected behavior, especially if that scroll takes you away from where you were. So I can't now see which item I was editing. So let's have a look at the new dashboard and see those changes that we've added. So you'll see each of these sections is now collapsed, and it looks very similar as it does on the mobile app. So if I go into any of these sections, I can expand it out, and what happens now is the table is actually sticky. So that means that no matter how big your browser is, if it's quite small, the menu, the title will stick to the top and the options will stick to the bottom. And if it's a bit bigger, you get a bit more real estate there. So that behavior of that's pretty obvious. I can then collapse that and look at the next section if I wish. I could have multiple sections open if necessary. And then obviously the scrolling behavior, if I just open a bigger form here, has been fixed on this view. So I can't scroll past that in order to muck up the base view below. So these changes will certainly help anyone navigate their own data in the dashboard, and because it is visually very similar to the mobile app, we think no one will have any issues adapting to those changes. So I hope you're all having a lovely week. And if you want to know anything more about Flow Mobile Surveying, our capabilities, please get in touch. We're always tweaking and optimizing both our dashboard and our mobile app so that we can create basically very fast turnaround for our reports and inspections. Okay, take care everyone. Toodaloo.